Hello, you bold and beautiful people. How are you doing today? Hope your day is doing good. Hope you're having a great weekend wherever you're at. Hope you're home and safe. Today I am actually just gonna get ready for work, even though I work in like 5 hours. Which is kind of odd for me right now for a Saturday, but it is what it is. It's a 3 hour shift, but I'm fine with. I'm not gonna, you know, get mad about it. But I am using the Winter Mint um perfume mist. This one has peppermint alpine waters and it smells so good. I love the peppermint smell. Oh my gosh. Mm-mm-mm. It smells so good. If it came out last year for Christmas or the winter, basically. Really nice. I wish I had a nice little sugar sweetness to it a little bit. It would have been like old time. Oop. But the wellness ones from Bath and Body Works is very superb. But I'm not selling it. Well, technically I am, but I'm not at the same time. But it is what it is. I'm actually gonna play the Frosty the Snowman because right now it's kind of like snowing off and on a little bit where I live, and it's just like, see, it's cold, it's freezing. I don't like the cold. Wish I can hibernate. I've been fine with that. So yeah, so we're gonna have a little fun today. Because this is a very cool tone palette, and I really want these colors to pop today. Since I'm working at night right now, in the evening, might as well kind of like have, which I kind of do on the weekends anyway. Put on like do something a little bit during the week. Sometimes depending on the schedule I have at Bath and Body Works, but yeah. So let you guys know because I gotta have to put this in the video. My opinions do not reflect on Bath and Body Works. So if any makeup products, any fragrances, or anything like that does not reflect, or what I talk about in my videos does not reflect on Bath and Body Works. So look at that. I love the NYX Dremel pencil. It's such a great OG. Like, hmm, can't go wrong with this. But yeah, I'm gonna use this for a little bit of the Beauty Creations thing. So since I'm going with like a cool tone look a little bit, I don't know what I'm gonna do because I haven't really played with this such a while time. And I'm just like, oh, might as well play with this. It's just the perfect time to play with. So I'm gonna use this beautiful, beautiful shake off thermometer. I'm gonna use this as the crease shape. But yeah, my dogs are talking. The huskies, or I think it's Stone is talking more than anything, which is quite funny. I'm just using it as a transition shape. I don't know what I'm gonna go for with this look, but it's gonna go something, right? Might as well fit the season here for me. We're still gonna go a little bold. Don't forget we are gonna go a little bit bold. Just because we're going to neutral to a very cool tone eyeshadow look doesn't mean we can't go bold. Okay? I'm gonna go bold. 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 I didn't say bold. It's bold. What's speech impediment, man? It's such a pain in the butt sometimes. I'm gonna use Always Very Merry. Just have that more of a brown tinge to it. We are going to darken that up a little bit as we go. I might go a little minty on the waterline a little bit. But I am, like I said, I am going to work, but I'm going to go to work a little bit early because I could get some few stuff from Miss A at the mall. So yeah, I do have to, get some few things. Cool. I like how this shade does such a really good job of just mixing with thermometer. There we go, thermometer. Really like that, so I am definitely gonna go back with that first shade just to have that blended. Really do like that. It's a lot of fun. We can go like I really don't play with cool tones a lot. Granted, it's like one of the things I don't play a lot with, but when I do, it's a special moment. There's a lot of people who don't play with a lot of colors unless they're in the mood for it. But with me, I love playing with purple. And purple for me is like one of the special shades that I love to play with, but I have to be in the mood for it. Purple is one of those shades that I have to be like, oh, I have to be in the mood. I love playing with purple. We can go with Frosty's hat. It's a nice black shade. And just kind of put in the outer V and just a little angle it a little bit. Like, or lightly do it. I'm just lightly blending it in because black can be a very difficult shade to work with sometimes. And I just want to make sure I'm actually taking my time with this brush. Here, I'm going to use button nose a little bit right here because give it nice contrast right there. I'm just going to see. Oh, these shades are really nice. I like these cool tone shades. Yeah, I'm going to go shop Say because I need more brush cleaner. I need to get an eyebrow pencil and then brow powder because I actually want to switch those products up a little bit because the Nano one doesn't last me because I do almost 4 videos a week sometimes. And it's just like, oh, I need to get this and blah, blah, blah in a way. So I'm just going to use a brow powder and mix those two and see how I like it. Especially use the brow powder as a way to fill into right here and just line the use to line the brow pencil as a way to line the lines and just have you know what I mean? And yeah, that's really pretty. What you think? And I love their shimmer slash whatever they have it as. I don't know what the shades. It's 1969, but it doesn't say anything else with that shade. So it's a nice shimmer shade. Oof. Okay. I guess I'm going to put some mint color or blue shade to it. So, yeah, I'm going to use this one. It's Chills on Relax. This is from the Cookies and Dreams No Budge eyeshadow stick. I like to use these as a waterline more than anything because they do a really good job. I definitely need to get more of these. But I'm like, what other? I don't know. It kind of matches. Ooh, it matches the eyeshadow, which I do like. The problem is I don't know if I want to put black liner on. But I'm actually gonna wait and see how I feel after I put my mascara on to see. So yeah. Okay, I can tell you one thing. That glitter shade that we use, 1969, does a full fallout. It's not a big deal for me anyway. I really don't care. Um, Hello the Truth. Oh, I don't know how I feel about this one. Don't know if I don't have a. If you know, it'd be nice to see. a gray eyeliner. That would be cool. But the problem is I don't have gray eyeliner, so I might have to find something like that because that would probably work for this shadow look if I had a liquid gray a liquid liner or a water activated liner with gray. That would be pretty just to be like a monochromatic a little bit with the shade. But other than that, I don't know if I'm going to go with a black line. I can tell you, I really do like this one. This one, oh yeah, I like this. And put some winter mints. Oh my gosh, I love it smells. It smells fresh. So this is the finished look. This turned out so pretty. I love it. Really do. Definitely speaks me. Very cool tone. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Definitely my jam. Definitely, especially still bold. Bold. Still bold, but beautiful at the same time. Oh, I love it. I love it. Love it. Mm-mm-mm. Mm. So this is it. I hope you have a wonderful day or night wherever you're at. I love you and God bless.